Hey there, my name is Jordan Bentley. I'm one of the attorneys with McIntyre Elder Law, and today I want to talk about what we call the foundations of estate planning, or the core four of your estate plan. And so every good building, right, every good house is built on a solid foundation. And so we've created what we like to call the foundational documents, or the core four documents of estate planning. Those are going to be your two powers of attorney, your general durable power of attorney, and your healthcare power of attorney, a living will, and a will, or a last will and testament. And I'm going to go over what those documents are briefly. And if you're interested in creating any of those or having us review them, at the end I'll let you know how you can schedule an appointment. So your general durable power of attorney, that's a document where you choose an agent to act on your behalf and make decisions for you if you're deemed incompetent or you don't have capacity. And these can be anything in the financial realm, the legal realm, right? They can go to the bank, go to the DMV, see a closing attorney and sell your interest in property or change title to something that you own. They can sit down with an attorney, discuss your estate plan or other legal matters. And you want to choose someone that you trust to do that, someone that you know is going to act in your best interest and be able to take steps for you when you're unable to, so that you or your loved one aren't stuck, unable to manage an asset or do something that you need done. The other power of attorney that I mentioned was a healthcare power of attorney. This one's very simply named and it's very straightforward. This is where you name an agent who can make all those decisions for you if you're unable to do them yourself in the realm of healthcare. So they can hire and fire doctors, they can review your medical records, opt into procedures, or choose what kind of medications are going to be on. Any decision that you would need to make or want to make for yourself involving healthcare, your nursing care, your long-term care, these people are able to speak to those doctors, make decisions at the hospital, and really want to be someone that you trust and someone who knows what your interests are and cares about you. So both of those powers of attorney are important. Both of those, you name an agent to act on your behalf, and you want to make sure it's someone that you trust and someone that you know will act in your best interest. I also mentioned the living will. This is a really poorly named but important document. It should really be called your desire to die a natural death. So if you're terminal, incurable, and past the point of no return, we're talking about ventilation, artificial nutrition, respirators. If your death is just being prolonged at a point, it's your opportunity, a document where you state, hey, it's not my wishes to be kept alive. I don't want my death prolonged. It's okay to let me go. It's very important that you want that document in place for a variety of reasons, whether they're religious, personal, whether you just want to take the stress and the burden off of your loved ones for making that decision. It's your opportunity to let everyone in the room know those are your wishes and what you wanted to happen, and it releases the hospital and your family from liability and stress. The last document that's one of our foundations would be a will, or a last will and testament. A lot of you are probably familiar with this. You might even have one. What a will is it's a guide through the probate process. It's instructions for how you want your stuff to pass when you pass away, if you haven't set it up automatically to do so. So you name an executor, that's someone who's going to control the will and make things happen. And you choose beneficiaries and you list who's going to get your stuff and how much they're going to get. So it's very important that you have these foundational documents in place. It's very important for everyone to have these foundational documents in place. General durable power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney, living will, last will and testament. If you have these documents and you're wondering if they're sufficient or if they're good enough, you can bring them in for one of our attorneys to review. If you don't have them, you can come and make an appointment and discuss creating those for you. You can do that by calling us at 888-999-6600 or by going online at mcelderlaw.com/scheduling. I hope to see you in the office.
Please don't wait till it's too late. Call McIntyre.